Thank you very much. Yeah, this is what we want. This is what we want, not only for me. This is what we want for the players. This is what we want for management and owner. This is what we want for our fans. So I hope that they are happy now. They celebrate. They see some light at the end of the tunnel. First half was good. First half we were on our plan. We try to be compact, we try to go for the counters, we try to create chances. Inshallah, maybe we could score not only one, but we could score 2 goals. Obviously, second half, opponent changed the formation. They put more attacking players. They played more simple. They played more balls to the box, and we had a lot of work to avoid it. They had a lot of chances also, but we also could score. So maybe a second goal, to score second goal, Abu or Dai, to kill the game would be better for us. So we made it difficult for us. So last 10 minutes was very long, but it was not easy. So and also I did not know before the game, but today is the birthday for Makassar city, 418 years. It's a long history. So I'm also happy for this, and I wish city another 418 years in peace.